Graduation. You feel me? I graduate today, y'all. Big Tay. Finna be bigger Tay, you feel me? Okay, cuz. Alright, so, hold up, I'm out of break. But, like, let me tell y'all, this joint about to be lit. You already know how I'm coming. Walk across the stage, doing my dancey dance, you feel me? Ain't no holding back. I'm gonna be like, hold up. Bum, 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 hey, hey. Bum, 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 hey, hey. Bum, 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 hey. I'm gonna be in that joint, dancing, cutting up, you feel me? Walking across the stage. Your girl about to be lit. So, I'm about to get ready on all that stuff, huh? I'm about to get ready and all that fun stuff. And y'all about to see this come up from a baby to me, you feel me? So we got my big brother over here. Say what's up to the channel, big bro.
What up, peoples?
What up? This not people, it's popcorn gang.
Popcorn gang.
Gang. All right, you feel me? Got any words for TayyyPoppin on her graduation day?
Continue to do the best that you can do. I'm proud of you. And we're ready to cut up this weekend.
We ready to cut up! That's on Big Purr, you feel me? Alright, so let me go get ready. And we got my little sister coming down the step. You got any words for TayyyPoppin? She wanna run. Ooh, she a runner, she a track star. Alright, so without further ado, let's just really just get into the video. You already know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah! Let's get her popped. I'm getting ready. I look like crazy right now. Don't worry about it. Because once I'm done, I'm done. Okay. So, I'm getting ready. My time is almost up. You for me to go. Guys, don't worry about how crazy I look. Tania, you got any words for TayyyPoppin on her graduation day?
Congratulations. I'm so proud of her. She finally did it. Now she can go wherever she wants to go.
Okay, girl, Pepper, Big Purr. All right, so guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm all the way done. Making TikToks on the way too. All right, y'all, it's your girl TayyyPoppin. Y'all see me? I'm ready to graduate. Look at my cap. Big Purr. Shout out to my girl. What are you doing, Sadie _? She made my my little cap. You feel me? Hit her up if y'all graduate and y'all trying to get y'all cap made. You feel me? Cause she did an excellent job. Big Purr. So. Yeah, I'm about to head to my graduation officially. About to graduate class of 2021. Big Purr, okay. You see me dripped out, you see me, okay. Icy, you see me? Icy, okay. So we about to just head there. Now, I'm probably gonna vlog in the car a little bit. And then I'm gonna really vlog once I really get there and say hi to my fellow peers in class of 2021. You feel me? Alright guys, so yeah. So guys, we're officially sitting in the car waiting for time to fly by, and yeah, your girl's ready. I'm ready. They call me Sunshine. I do the confetti. Y'all already seen how like I'm coming across that stage. I'm not holding back. Baby, you know the popcorn gang about to stand up with me. You already know. Drop them graduation caps in the description box down. I mean, not in the description. Drop down the comment section. In the comment section, y'all. Drop it down below. So yeah, let's get this show on the roads. Y'all feel me? Our YouTuber here. We at the graduation. They're sitting in our chairs in front of me. So yeah, Big Purr. You already know. Let me show you the setup.
Shantae Aaliyah Tolbert.
Woo! Look at my butterfly! Woo! Go, girl!
Damn it, I forgot to hit the play button when you was walking out.
Yes!
They hit me.
Christina Tucker.
Friends, family, and teachers for being part of our celebration this evening.
Will the class of 2021 please stand for the turning of the tassel?
Are you two? We out this day! We're 2021! gotta get the real diploma because ain't nothing but paper out here. Okay. Okay. My guy M. Dot. We out this thing. You feel me? Alright, y'all, we gotta go take some pictures, take some more pictures, and more pictures after that. Alright, we out YouTube real quick. Alright, so y'all, we signing out officially. We officially signing out. We got our real paper now. We ain't got no fake papers. And yeah, we out this young, guys. We logging off. AP, you feel me? We out. Peace. Might finish the vlog at home. And we out. It's your girl TayyyPoppin. Come on, finish it. Come on.
It's your girl TayyyPoppin.
It's your girl TayyyPoppin. And I out. Peace.
I got you. You know what I do. So what you do? You just started at 2 after graduation. So what do you do? You never have stores back there. Like, hey, come on, I already eat now. Right. Don't laugh. I thought they was coming. All right, oh, today you and Lily. All right, go ahead. Sorry. Tania, help her. Mama don't play sticks together.
Oh yeah, chocolate is going down.
I still want to come up.
They're not gonna be here for the gift.
Oh, shoot, no. I think they got another.
Yeah, they come somewhere.
Yeah.
That's me over there. You guys, you see me with the whip. Huh?
What come with?
Rules and responsibility.
More than that.
And lots of what's it called? Gang, we in this jam. We got the keys to the wheel. Hold up, popcorn gang. We gotta step out real quick. Gotta step out. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. Big purr. Oh yeah.